Meaning of fitting.
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 Fitting. Fitting refers to the process of adjusting or modifying something to make it suitable for a particular purpose or situation. In the context of clothing, fittings involve adjusting garments to fit an individual's body shape and size. The result of a successful fitting is a garment that flatters the wearer and feels comfortable to wear. A well-fitted garment will accentuate the wearer's best features and minimize any areas of concern. Fittings can also improve the functionality and durability of garments by ensuring that they allow for ease of movement and do not restrict the wearer's range of motion. Overall, fittings play a vital role in creating comfortable and stylish clothing that meets the needs of the wearer.